In this video, we will discuss laws and exponents for real numbers. For this, let a is greater than 0 be a real number and let m and n are integers such that m and n have no common factors other than 1 and n is greater than 0. Okay. So, because n does not is equals to 0. Okay. So, we can write it a to the power m divided by n. It can be written as like this. Okay. Now second is when a is greater than 0 and a is a real number and p and q be rational number, then we have if base are same, so powers will be added. Okay. So p plus a to the power p plus q. Now a to the power p and the whole power q, so it can be written as a to the power p into q. Now a to the power p and a to the power q, it is divided and same base, so it will be subtracted. That can be written as p minus q. When base are different and powers are same, so base will be multiplied the same power. So it can be written as a into b the whole power p. Okay. Now we will discuss exercise 1.6. Question number 1. 64 to the power 1 by 2. So it can be written as 8 to the power 2 because 8 into 8 it becomes 64. Now the whole power can be written as 1 by 2. So it can be written as 2 into 1 by 2. So answer is 8. Okay. Now second part is 32 to the power 1 upon 5. So we know that 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32. The whole power is 1 by 5. So it can be written as 2 to the power 5 into 1 upon 5. So answer is 2. Okay. Now third part, 125 to the power 1 upon 3. So we know that this can be written as 5 to the power 3, the whole power 1 upon 3. So it can be written as 5, 3 into 1 upon 3 is equals to 5. Now in this question, which laws and exponent are followed? Yes, a to the power p to the power q is equals to a to the power p into q. Okay, so you have to mention what laws are applying here. Question number 2. Find 9 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so it can be written as 3 to the power 2 the whole power 3 by 2. It can be written as 2 into 3 upon 2 and 2 and 2 cancel, so answer is 3 to the power 3. Okay, so it can be written as 27. Okay, next question, 32 to the power 2 by 5. Okay, so it can be written as 2 to the power 5 the whole power 2 upon 5. Now it becomes 2 to the power 5 into 2 upon 5. Now 5 and 5 cancel, so 2 to the power 2, so 4 answer. Okay, third part, 16 to the power 3 upon 4. So it can be written as 2 to the power 4, it becomes 16, then whole power 3 upon 4. So it can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 3 upon 4. 4 and 4 cancel, so remaining is 2 to the power 3. Now it becomes 8. Okay. Now fourth part, 125 to the power minus 1 upon 3. It means it can be written as 1 upon 125 to the power 1 upon 3. Now you have to solve it. So it becomes 1, 5 to the power 3, the whole power 1 upon 3. Can be written as 5 to the power 3 is multiplied by 1 by 3. So 5 and 3 and 3 cancel. So remaining is 1 upon 5. Okay. Now question number 3. Simplify. So first question is 2 to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 5. Okay. We know that when base are same, so base are same, so powers will be added. It means it will becomes 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 5. Now we have to take LCM, so it becomes 5 and 3, so 15 is LCM. Then here becomes 10 plus 3. Okay. So final answer is 2 to the power 13 upon 15. Next question. 1 upon 3 to the power 3, the whole power 7. Okay. Now you can write it 1 power 7 and 3 to the power 7, 3 to the power 3 into 7. Okay. So it will become 1 upon 3 to the power 21, or you can write it 3 to the power minus 21. Now third question. 11 to the power 1 by 2 and 11 to the power 1 upon 4. So same base, so powers will be subtracted, so we can write it 11 to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So take LCM, so it will become 11 to the power, this will be 4. Now it becomes 2 minus 1, so it will be 11 to the power 1 upon 4. Now last question. 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. Here power are same, so we have to multiply the base. So it becomes 7 into 8, the whole power 1 by 2, that is 56 to the power 1 by 2. Okay. So here the which laws is applying? A to the power p, b to the power p, so it becomes a into b to the power whole power p. Okay.